Are you one of the folks who've bought one of these? A HOHEN? Lots of you have. Really trending at the moment, aren't they? I think everybody's seen one of these. What type of problems do you get with them? All the YouTubers that have had it given to them and haven't actually paid for them say they're wonderful. The sun shines out of their rear, as you get the expression. So let's have a look exactly what happened to mine. The packaging gives off a premium vibe. Inside you'll find the Hohem isteady M6 gimbal, cables and a stand, a user manual and an AI accessory. That's supposed to enhance your shooting experience. HOHEN has invented this gimbal especially for mobile phones like this S21 Ultra, and this weighs in at around about 350 grams, and that's without adding any extras to it. Now the gimbal itself is ideal because you can add bits and pieces to this gimbal. Obviously you're going to add all the weight on, and this gimbal will take up to 400 grams in weight. Now before looking at the bad bits, let's have a look at the footage which I got from the gimbal. Now the gimbal itself boasts a range of impressive features, from 360-degree rotation to various shooting modes. It promises to elevate the mobile phone experience. I must say, during the initial days of usage, the gimbal performed like a champ. It was stabilising my shots beautifully, making my videos look incredibly smooth. However, here comes the twist in the story. Just 2 days after using the HOHEN M6, disaster struck. I was baffled and more than a little frustrated. It's like having a sports car with a flat tyre. You've got the potential, but you can't move forward. We'll start off with the AI accessory, which sounds like a cool addition. Keeps falling off repeatedly during shooting sessions. Not only that, but the anodizing on the gimbal has started to peel off like a bad sunburn. It was clear that the build quality wasn't holding up its end of the bargain. Now moving on to the gimbal itself, well, it is good quality, and I've got to say that, but this is where the problem ends. Look, it's broken. I've never seen anything like this. You can even see the wires inside, and it looks as though it's just snapped off with the weight. Now I'm guessing that numbers of you may have had the same problem. I really enjoyed using this gimbal. It really does what it says on the tin. I'm well impressed with all the different features it's got, but it sort of knocks it a little bit when you get something like this happens. But another thing I've been told about, there's these little knobbles on the end here that stops this, and it's basically locking them out, and apparently they wear down. They're only small, but they do wear down, and eventually it'll go round and round. I'm guessing the persons who said that have been using it for the last 4 months continuously. But this will be sent back to Amazon. Now, I will tell you from the outset, I am one of them customers that if there's going to be one thing wrong, I'm the one who gets it. And that's where I specialise on my channel, the crap I buy. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share, and we'll see you again very shortly on Autogleam Truths. Laters!